In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable hover typing on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Apple logo up in the menu bar, and then select System Settings from that drop-down menu list. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, select where it says Hover Text. And there should be something that says hover typing. Click inside that oval to toggle it to the left to disable, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.